Hi everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete absolutely all Instagram posts in one go. Please subscribe to our channel, also put your likes, write comments after watching the video, and let's get started. So, first of all, we're going to need to go to Instagram, go to our profile, and then we'll need to click on the three bars at the top. Go to Settings. And what will you need to do here? You're going to need to set up a professional account. To do that, here in the tools down here, you'll need to find a tool called Account Types and Tools. And then you click on it. You're going to choose Private Account or you're going to choose Professional Account. And next you just agree to all the terms and conditions. It's free, it's very quick, it literally takes you half a minute. After you make a professional account, you will go to your page. You will need to refresh it while you have this gray window with it, which means that your account is already professional, as it is written at me. And then you go back to the main Instagram page, then to Posts, and then you click on the three dots at the top, select Chats, and you can select all the chats that you have, or you can select just certain few chats that you want to delete right away. Then at the bottom you click on Delete, and then you just click Confirm, Delete again. After that, all the chats that you choose will be deleted immediately. That's the easy way to delete absolutely all of your Instagram posts in one go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.